A Swagbucks loading screen that never finishes is usually caused by cached app data, an outdated app version, a network problem, or a temporary issue with Swagbucks servers, rather than a problem with your account. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest troubleshooting steps to get Swagbucks working again, and when it's time to contact support instead of wasting more time. Start with the simplest fix. Close the Swagbucks app completely instead of just minimizing it. Then open it again. If you're using the website, refresh the page or close the browser tab and reopen it. If that doesn't work, switch your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. A network issue can prevent the app from loading offers, surveys, or your account dashboard. Next, check whether you're using the latest version of the Swagbucks app. Open your device's app store and install any available update. App updates often fix loading bugs and compatibility problems after operating system updates. If you're already on the latest version, clear the app's cache. On Android, open Settings, then Apps, then Swagbucks, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If the problem continues, you can also clear storage, but remember that you'll need to sign back into your account afterward. If you're using the Swagbucks website, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try opening the site in a different browser. You can also test an incognito or private window to rule out browser extensions or stored data causing the issue. Another thing to check is whether Swagbucks is experiencing a temporary outage. If many users are reporting the same problem, waiting for the service to recover is usually the only solution. Repeatedly reinstalling the app won't fix a server-side issue. If you recently installed a VPN, proxy, or network filtering app, disable it temporarily and try again. These services can sometimes interfere with app connections or trigger security checks. If the loading screen still doesn't go away, uninstall the app, restart your phone, reinstall the latest version, and sign back into your account. If the problem continues after that, contact Swagbucks support with your device model, operating system version, app version, and screenshots of the loading issue. That information makes it much easier for the support team to investigate. To recap, restart the app, switch networks, update the app, clear cache or browser data, and check for service outages before reinstalling or contacting support. Try those steps in order, since they solve most loading problems. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other troubleshooting guides.